So far, we have been coding purely in TypeScript, but that's not always possible because you might have a JavaScript project and decide to introduce TypeScript later on, or you just want to work with some existing JavaScript code. So for this demo, let's add a JavaScript file in the source folder. We're going to call that tax.js, and here we're going to export a function called calculateTax that takes an income, and here we return income times 0.3. So we have a regular JavaScript file, and that means in this file, we cannot use any TypeScript features. So we cannot annotate this parameter with number, okay? So we have a regular JavaScript file. Now let's import this function into the index module. So we import calculateTax from the tax module, okay? Now we get a compilation error because by default, JavaScript code is not included in the compilation process. So the TypeScript compiler cannot see our tax module. To solve this problem, we have to go to our tsconfig file. Here in the section called JavaScript support, we have to turn on this compiler option called allow.js. Now, back to the index module, we still see the error. Don't worry about it. This is just a temporary issue in VS Code. So here we can call calculateTax, pass some value, get the tax, and then log it on the console. Now let's compile and run our program. We get a compilation error saying cannot use import statement outside a module. The reason we see this is because in the last section, we changed our module format to ES 2015, and that is used by browsers. We can use that in Node applications as well, but that requires a little bit more work. So to solve this problem, we have to go back to tsconfig.json. On the top, we're going to change the module format to common.js. Now let's compile and run our program one more time. Okay, it's working beautiful. Next, I'm going to show you how to enable type checking in JavaScript code.